Great location. Beautiful newer 2-story condo with a custom brick wall in the family/dining room, sunning wood floors, eat-in kitchen with bar counter, granite, tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, pantry and half bathroom on the first floor. The second floor has a large loft, laundry and 2 large master bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms and walk-in closets. One of the master bedrooms also has a deck overlooking the park-like common area, 4 ceiling fans, newer blinds/drapes, and newer washer and dryer. Enclosed patio with vinyl fence and exterior storage shed. Trash is included and picked up at the unit. Amazing amenities include a gorgeous clubhouse with demonstration kitchen, Wi-Fi, cozy seating, a meeting room, bathrooms, as well as outside swimming pool, dog park, bicycle repair station and garden plots. For rent. Only 1 small dog or cat allowed under 25 pounds with pet rent. 1-year lease. No smoking/vaping. Application fee per adult, $45.